Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make money in every images you upload online. It has multiple payment methods including Payeer, PayPal, WebMoney, and more. This is also free and available in all countries. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. Therefore, make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Basically, I'll show you how to make a lot of money online by combining two different free apps in this video. This is the first app I'd like to show you. Up-low.io is, as you can see, a 100% free service. You do not need to pay anything to get started. Let me show you how much money you can make with this free app. You can get all of these payment proofs in US dollars here. It's possible that you'll be able to make more money over and over again, just like the rest of the people in this room. The costs are $30, $5, $23, $55, and $40 as you can see. Every day, people from all over the world are actively cashing out money, and they're very open about it, displaying hundreds of testimonials with real money proof. Keep in mind though that this is only the first app. You'll need to utilize another app to make this strategy work. As a result, make sure to view the complete video to fully comprehend how it works and what you must do. Let me explain what this application is for. Basically, by uploading free files and images to this website, you can earn money. It's now a bang every time you post something to this website and someone downloads it for free. You are able to make a profit. Even if you're asleep, traveling, or not using the app at all, you can still earn money whenever anyone downloads the file you submitted on this website, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'll teach you where to look for and download files or photographs, as well as how to upload them to your phone or your computer. Allow me to show you how to get a free account on this website. By clicking the sign up button, you'll be taken to this page. User registration is as easy as filling out the form on this page with your username, email, password, and payment details. As you can see, they now pay you in a variety of ways. They pay you in a variety of ways including PayPal money, Payeer, WebMoney, and others. Now quickly, I'd like you to remark below about the kind of payment alternatives you prefer in your nation. But if your chosen payment method is not included here, simply comment down below and I'll see what I can do to help you set up any payment method you prefer. Simply click on I'm not a robot, then on this green register button once you've finished filling out all of your information and you're done. I'd like to show you a real-life example from my account right now. And I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can start making money right away. You can now see what happens when I go into my account and click the file upload option. You can do this on your computer, a mobile phone, or any other phone or device with an internet connection. And when you go to upload a file, you can really start uploading something on this website. Every time someone downloads your file, you'll get paid. So without further ado, I'll show you how to find free files to publish and thereby make a lot of money on this platform. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. Right now, I'd like to teach you how to use the second application, Pixabay.com, and how the logo appears. This software is absolutely free, and you may use it to download a big number of high-quality, copyright-free, and royalty-free images. As you can see, the Creative Commons license applies to all pixabay photos and footage. This implies that you are free to utilize it for commercial reasons. You can sell it and upload it to the first app I showed you, or you can use it for whatever you want. It is not necessary to furnish credit. Then I'll teach you how to do it with a real-life example and step-by-step instructions, including how to download, re-upload, and start making money. Here's how to make money with it. I've included a sample photograph and will show you how to do it right now. For starters, you can go to pixabay.com. Here you'll find some fantastic royalty-free stock photographs. They offer approximately 1.7 billion high-quality images available for download for free. Many images are available. For example, if I go to Nature and click on the button, I'll see all available free images to download. And if I click on any of these images, I'll see an example of how to use these flowers. Once I click on this image, we can actually click on the free download option. And it's up to me to decide on the image's resolution. So the first and most important piece of advice I can give to you is to download a high-quality photograph. As you can see, you don't want to download everything, and you don't want to download everything at all. This should be downloaded in 1280p format. Ensure that the photographs are of exceptional quality and resolution so that others will want to download and profit from them. Are you following what I'm saying? Now I'm going to pick this one, and you can see the dimensions of it right here. It's a lovely little file, and you're free to grab as much as you like. When I select this one right here, I'm going to click on download. On my computer, the download has started. And you can do the same on your computer or on your phone. It doesn't matter which phone you use. I'll be able to start uploading the photos to the website once I receive them. But before I show you how to upload, let me show you another example. This is an example of another image that you can use in the same way. Simply click on the free download button on the right side of this page, then on the download button. The download button initially appeared on this page. Again, everything is absolutely free. I don't have to pay for anything to start using Pixabay. I'll now go back to the first website and show you how to upload them. You may now observe file upload by clicking on this upload file, or by clicking on this link, or by clicking on this image right here. As you can see, these are all the images that I am able to publish to this website. For instance, I will demonstrate what occurs when I open this image by clicking on it. You'll notice that this image is right after that, and I'll be able to upload more files. For example, I'd want to share another photo with you so you can see more. You can push this button to start uploading once I'm done downloading everything, and I'll start the uploading process. As you can see, it's actually fairly quick due to the little file size of these images. It's a very straightforward chore that you can complete hundreds or thousands of times a day. If you upload more files or images, you will earn more money. Right now, there are a lot of high-quality photographs available. This is a task that you can repeat over and over. As you can see, once I've finished uploading the file, they'll give me 2 links to choose from, and I'll get paid every time someone clicks on one of these links to download the file. And the best part is that this website does not require you to sell or market anything. You don't need to publicize the link because our website will do it for you automatically. Also, make it so that anyone may get them for free. Of course, it is always strongly recommended to raise your revenue if you do not wish to promote it elsewhere, such as on Facebook or in forums. When I finish uploading, I'll be able to access my files here. For me, it will show the most recent posted photos. Number 1, 2, and 3 are all new images that I recently posted, and I set the price for them at whatever I like. For example, I might set it at $6, $7, or $9 and then get money when others download using my link. So if you have a mobile phone, you have a fantastic opportunity right now. Both of these websites and applications are entirely free to use, and with just a few clicks and a few minutes per day, you can set up a number of passive cash sources that works for you. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money in every images you upload online. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.